Hi. To this video we are going to see the approval from the manager based on our configuration. Let's take an example where in an organization, every expense report and request for cash advance goes for approval to the immediate supervisor. Once supervisor take the action, it will go for further action to the auditor. We logged in through a manager account. And this is Fusion Expense Work Area. Click on Approvals Info tile. Select the expense report on which you want to take action. A new notification page will open, where you can see details in regards to the expense report, like reports period, report total and submission date along with the purpose. In the expense item section, System by default shows the expense item which requires your approval. However, you can anytime choose all and can see all the expense item attached to this expense report. So there are two expense items in this report. The first one is personal vehicle. You can click on it and can see all the details in regards to this expense item. For example, System will show the expense type, the expense classes, the trip distance, vehicle category, and all the relevant details in regard to the expense item. System will also show you the attachments added to this expense item. You can click on Next button to see the next expense item. For the moment, we will click on Done. Second expense item is accommodation. Click on Accommodation. For this expense item, System is showing violation type from the warning signal. For example, the daily limit of this expense item is $15. However, the employee is claiming $25, so the manager can take action based on his justification. Justification provided is extension due to the work. All the attachment added by employee will be available over here. The manager can click on the attachment, and the attachment will get downloaded in the system. Click on Done. The right side of the screen. System shows some more information in regard to this expense item. For example, System shows all the recent similar expenses for this expense item. System also shows the recurring violation done by the employee. System shows the recent return reports and unapplied cash advances with employee. All this supporting details will help the manager to take further action. In the comments section, manager can add this comment, which will be visible to the next approver. In the attachment section, manager can also add some more attachment. In the history section, manager will see all the approver for this particular expense report. Manager can simply approve or reject this expense report, or he can take further action by clicking on Action button. The first option available is Request Information. Manager can ask more information from the employee. By clicking on this, System will take back this expense report to the claimant. Second option available is Reassign. The manager can reassign this expense report to another person for taking further action. Manager can also add more approvers to this particular expense report. Manager can simply click on Save to take further action at a later stage. In this example, we are approving the expense report. Click on Approve. For cash advance approval, click on Cash Advance. Choose the cash advance. You can simply approve or reject the cash advance request. However, to see the further details, click on Cash Advance Request. System will open up a new notification page, which will show more details, like the cash advance number, the trip period, the advance total, and the submission date, along with the purpose of cash advance. You can add more comment to the cash advance request. Or you can add more attachment. If the employee added some attachment while requesting for the cash advances, the attachment will be visible in this particular section. The manager can also see the history of the approver. At the right side of the screen, System shows the unapplied cash advances available with the employee. Comparison with company policies. Manager can also see a company policy in regard to the cash advances while approving the same. Total number of open advances and maximum cash advance amount allowed. Manager can take further action on this cash advance. For X, he can request for more information from the employee, or he can reassign this cash advance request to another person. For taking further action, he could also click on Save to take action at a later stage. In this example, we will click on Approve. Thank you.